I'm Kelly from Crafting a Cuppa, and today I thought I'd do something a little bit different. I thought I'd do an unboxing video. I've never done one before, and I've got a nice big box of squishy yarn right in here. Aha! So yeah, I thought I'd do a little unboxing video. I've not opened it yet, it's still sealed and everything. So just a little story behind my purchase. I've got quite a few yarn cakes already in my stash, but I never do anything with them, and I'm always looking at them and I'm thinking, they are so lovely, but what can I make with them? Like, I like to be in control of colour changes. That's probably the worst thing for me. So if I was to make something like this that's in 2 panels, I say I'm in control of colour changes. Look what I'm wearing today. This is an exception. This is the odds and ends sweater, by the way, and it's an exception. So yeah, when I am making something with a yarn cake, I can't imagine making the body, like this one is in panels, so like making my body panel with the variegated yarn, and then having a sleeve that's different, and the other sleeve that's changing colour differently. I know you can manipulate it, but then I just think about all the wastage as well, so I don't know. But then the other day when I was looking through my stash, I came across this one. Had got 2 of these, and I was just like, that would be lovely for summer, but what on earth can I make? And then I thought, I know, what about a skirt? Just do a little skirt in the round. So yeah, that's what I did. I haven't quite finished it yet, but this is what I've started. This is one whole of these yarn cakes. This one, please don't ask me what it's called. Can you see that? Like, is it CCBB? CCBB? I'm sorry if I got that wrong, but yeah. But anyway, I got that from Knitting Network. So yeah, that is what it looks like worked up. If you can see that there. I've just got to do a little waistband, which I'm gonna maybe just do a chain and put some tassels on it and weave it through this top bit here, like so. This is a bit short. My bottom's still hanging out the bottom of it, literally. So I've got to add a few more rounds. But then I tried it on and I was like, how cute would a sweater be with this? Even though I'd probably never wear it. But just the idea of the same design with a sweater, like a top-down sweater. Now, I can freestyle top-down sweaters for my body shape, fine. But when it comes to grading them and using maths and measurements, it was just, I've not really tried it because I'm not great with maths. It, like, if I look at numbers too much, no, my brain just shuts off. It does. I'll happily admit that. You know, I don't know. Not all of us are blessed with the ability of maths, and I am definitely not one of them. So, but saying that, I thought, do you know what? Let's just give it a try. Now I know these 2 don't match at all, but I'm just having a little practice. So this is just my size only. So I started using maths and measurements. It took me about 4 attempts. Not gonna lie, about 4 attempts. I've started working up this. If you can see it in there. And I thought, yeah, that would be really cute to go with this skirt. And then I thought, hang on a minute, how am I going to do the arms? It's just what I was talking about. If I'm using a yarn cake, how am I going to do the arms so like it all looks nice and matches? So I did buy quite a few of these, but I don't know if I'm going to do it yet. Well, that's what I've got in my box actually, just give the game away. Whether they all look the same as that, I don't know. So maybe I could manipulate it, but we'll have to wait and see, won't we? So that's what I've been doing recently. I've been a bit quiet with releasing things because I've been getting my head around this. Oh no, that's the wrong way round. I'm getting my head around this top-down sweater. And I'm getting a little bit fed up with it, if I'm honest. But I have to see it through. I need to know what it looks like. Now, I need to know. So I'm plowing through that whilst watching some crime documentaries. That helps, doesn't it? Watch a bit of telly. So yeah, that's what I've been doing, and this is the reason behind my purchase. I thought I'm going to get some yarn cakes, I'm going to do some skirt tutorials on YouTube, and just have a bit of fun with them really, because I've got so many yarn cakes, I don't do nothing with them, and I just thought, wow, fancy a quick skirt tutorial, and I might do a few more and put them up on YouTube to share with you all. So should we have a look what's in the box? Yes, let's do it. Okay, so let's have a little look. I actually can't remember what I bought apart from the one I just showed you. But I definitely did get some other colours as well. Oh, it's exciting, isn't it? Oh, ooh. Oh, yes, look at those. Oh, look at those. Look at that one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's lovely. Okay, yes, lovely. That one. Oh my goodness. Yeah, lovely. Oh, I can't remember buying this many. Oh, I think I know. Oh, yeah, I know why. Because I've spent like a certain amount. I got free postage. That's why I bought this many. Oh, but look at them. How many's on there? How many? 540 meters. I could possibly get a skirt out of that. On these CCBB. My teeth just whistled when I just said that. There's 360 on that meters, 360 and 393 yards, and I have needed 2 for my skirt, but not much over, I don't think. So that's why I'm wondering if I might be able to get a size small skirt. That, look at that. Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? Oh, I'm so happy. Well, I've got to try and find where I'm gonna. Oh no, one of them's come off. Hopefully it's just popped out, that's all. Yeah, it's just popped out, that's all. Beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy with this purchase. That one. Do I said I bought loads of the other one? Maybe I didn't. Can't even remember what I bought. Maybe I didn't. Did I not? I thought I bought more of the other one. Where is my other one? I don't know where I've put it. There definitely ain't none of them in there, is there? That's the one that I was just showing you. Okay. Maybe I didn't buy that one. It's clearly not in here. Oh, I know what I've done. I bought the wrong colour. I bought... Are they all the same ones? Oh, I'm such a chump, ain't I? I think I bought the wrong colour because they look like they're the same ones. Lot 1... Colour 106. Colour 106. Colour 106. Bought the wrong ones. Oh well, never mind. Still got some beautiful ones going on in here. Such a plonker, ain't I? Oh gosh, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Yes, so there we go. I bought the wrong colour. That definitely don't go with my skirt. What a plonker. So I've been designing a top-down sweater for ages. For no reason! No reason at all! Because I bought the wrong coloured yarn. That's me all over. Never mind. Never mind. Still got some beauty. Look at that one. That'd make a nice skirt, wouldn't it? I've got 2 of those. I might have got 2 each of the others. So I've got 2 of those. Look at them. Amazing. Have I got 2? Yes. I've got 2 of these. Lovely. Very nice. And I got 2 of these, which are just gorgeous. Loving those ones as well. And then I got 4 of the wrong colour. 4 of the wrong colour. But never mind. Yeah. What a chump. Never mind. There we go then. that's what I bought. So there we are, my lovely yarn purchase. Well purchased 4 in the wrong colour. Lesson learnt there, check the colour numbers. Don't know why I didn't. I swear I picked the right ones, but I know for a fact if I go look at my receipt, it's definitely going to be the wrong one, isn't it? So anyway, if you stuck around this far, thank you so much for joining me on my first unboxing. What a success, hey? So yeah, see you soon, hopefully with another tutorial. Not as I buy any more yarn, but I shouldn't do because I've just bought this up.